success. Oh, that trigger's disgusting. I missed. Probably the gun's fault. Okay. I mean, as luck would have it, it made it through. It's just lucky. That's good ammo. I put good ammo in the gun. Give her a go again. Second magazine. That was weird. It did something there. See? Okay, and now what? Let me just stick that bullet back in there. It's doing something funky. Okay, alright. I feel like I'm wanting it to fail. Let's do it and hit something. Ah! I'll shoot slow. I'm gonna go for a headshot on the left target. Alright, I think it's me that's pulling it off target.